Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing for all vegan lovers a vegan raw cheesecake. 110 grams soaked cashews. To that we're going to add 60 grams of shredded coconut. We're going to first blend the same. Now we're going to add 70 grams of dates. And 1 pinch of salt. I'm going to take a cake pan. I'm going to put little virgin oil into it. And I'm going to use my hands and I'm going to grease the same. So you can use any cake utensil. I'm using this because it is really easy to remove. You can also go in for a silicone. So I have greased the cake dish nicely. Now I'm going to use the same batter what we have done. And I'm going to empty the crust batter into the baking dish. So now we're going to evenly place it inside the cake dish. So it should be nicely done. It should be thick and nice and should stick. So it should be evenly and nicely done so that even if you flip over, it does not fall. Now we're going to put the same in the freezer for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes to get it nice and cold and quickly stick to the same. Ingredients for the fillings now. So first we have soaked cashew, that's 220 grams. Then we have lime juice, fresh. Next we have 100 grams water. We have some cocoa powder, that's about 2 teaspoons. We have vanilla essence, that's about 1 small teaspoon. Pink Himalayan salt, that's going to be 1 pinch. We are going to use stevia, that's sugar free, as a source of sweetener. You can use palm sugar or coconut sugar also. We have some Choco Strands for dressing. And lastly, virgin coconut cold press oil because it's a vegan cake. Lastly, we are going to put the virgin coconut oil to it. Now the batter is ready and we're going to pour the cake mix. Choco strands on it. We're going to add one fine layer of cake again, pour it. So guys, my vegan raw cheesecake is ready. I told you, it's simple, it's easy, and it's really delicious. Now, why do we choose a vegan raw cheesecake? Few of the reasons. One, it is extremely low in calories. Why? Because it does not contain refined flour or refined sugar. We have used stevia. It also has really great amount of MCDs because we have used cold processed coconut oil. It is loaded with nutrients like vitamin C and magnesium because it contains cashew, dates. So it means it's a really healthy option to be chosen. Also, raw desserts are a great option. Why? Because they're loaded with nutrients and most of the nutrients stay as fresh. Also, a healthier option to choose this is why? Because in traditional baking, we lose a lot of the nutrients while baking. This protects and preserves maximum of the nutrients because it is not processed and not baked. So please stay tuned with our channel. Please share it, subscribe it with your friends so that most of the people get the knowledge and can utilize that. Also, please hit that bell button so you get intimation of our videos. We do videos on nutrition, train to good look naked, and information. That means whatever you require to be healthy and stay fit, you will get completely on this platform. So stay tuned and be with us. Thank you.